All right, I have my cousin Brianna here doing a usability test on this app. This is the first round of usability tests. Um, I've explained to her what the app is and what its primary function is. And now, Brianna, you can go ahead and click around on the app.
Okay.
So, click around like normal. hmm Yep, that's where you'd enter in the state, like that information. Enter in your payment, yeah. So that when it lights up, that's the next option.
Okay. So,
So do you have any questions as you're going through here?
um,
Talk about what you see and how you feel about it.
so this map shows you where it is, like where the truck is at the time.
hmm
Okay.
Anything you think that the homepage needs, anything you feel about it, any opportunities you see or things that are frustrating?
I think it's pretty easy to use and
All right, so then
convenient.
go ahead and place an order.
Mm.
So your order's pretty much pre-picked because I wasn't making a million screens for this. So go ahead and click the add button.
Where's the ad button? Oh,
So,
the plus sign? Okay.
mhm.
I got it. Okay.
So you can select on here what you want. It pretty much selects it for you. It's selected one scoop, a waffle cone. What do you feel about this screen? How's this working out?
Yeah, this is pretty like easy to understand.
Is it clear what you've selected?
Yeah. What is a regular?
Oh, so it's in a
Like what
cup,
is Oh, okay.
a
So
regular
a
cup or a
cup
waffle
or
cup.
oh, okay. Mhm. So add to order.
I'll click one of those options first, sorry. You have to click wherever it lights up blue.
Oh, okay.
There you go. So that added to your order is now what do you notice about the screen?
Oh, there's a little dot.
All right. So what's that option? What would you assume that that option is?
Where you're picking it up?
Where you're picking it up?
Yeah.
All right. So why don't you click over there? So that's your order
Oh.
summary. So it's like a shopping cart.
Oh.
Um,
Okay. All right.
how
Makes
do,
sense.
yep. So then you have different options on this page. Um,
You can edit your order.
yep. So why don't you click that and see how that is? So you can get rid of things that you added to the cart.
Can you add things on this screen or just get rid of things?
You can just get rid of things, but adding things might be a good idea too. So get rid of something.
Oh,
You have to,
okay.
you're forced. All right, and now get out of that screen.
Okay.
So you just tap normal, awesome. And then you'd hit place order, obviously. So then there you go. That gives you an order. What are your thoughts right now? Do you have any questions on how the app's working?
Does it give you like a time, like when your order will arrive? Or is it just.
So it should give you that on the home page.
Okay.
It tells you when the truck is coming in the area, but adding that to the receipt would probably be an interesting or a helpful feature. Anything else you want to know, like, or you think you should know?
No, I think it's pretty easy to use.
Okay. So then get out of here and finish navigating through the app.
Oh, I okay.
Alrighty, so what's that next page? What do you think it is?
Is this when your order will come? It's a little calendar. No? No.
No, but go ahead and click to it.
Oh, like a menu kind of? Or like a what is the schedule? What is it a schedule of?
Well, click around and see. Is that what you'd think it would be like?
No. Is this like when they deliver or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So what did you think that this would be?
Honestly, I'm not really sure. It was just,
So do you think that this is helpful information?
yeah, I mean, I do think this is helpful, like, to know, but, like, does it tell you where they're gonna be during this time? Like, or just
Well, that's
that
a good point.
they are?
That's a good point. So that's definitely something I can work into it. So you can keep going through the app now. What do you think that that last option is going to be?
I don't know, I've been wrong every time.
All right, go ahead and click that then.
Oh, order history. Okay. Alright, got it.
So what do you think is like? What do you think's working with this page?
Is like your order history, like, ever? Like, forever?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that makes sense.
Anything that I could add to this page?
Maybe if it told you, like, where you were at the time that you
Where
placed the
you were?
order? Yeah.
All right. Anything else?
No.
So that's it then.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Um, and that's pretty much all I have. So you went through the whole app. Oh yeah, that button up there. It feels like it should be clickable, but I don't.
Feels
I
like
didn't
it
have a
should be a
screen for
button.
that.
Okay. Is that like your account?
Mm-hmm. That would be
Yeah.
account information and
Okay.
stuff like that.
That makes sense.
Anything you think that should be added? Anything you think should be added to the app?
No.
No, it's good. It's good as is.
I think it's good. Yeah.
Any any thoughts, feelings, or emotions?
I mean, I like it. I think that you could add like where it's gonna be in that schedule thing. That's the
Mm-hmm.
only thing that was a little bit confusing. But like the ordering was easy. That account, that order summary was pretty good. Told you like all the prices and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Anything that should be added to any of the other pages, like anything that needs to be added here?
Well, so how does this map like know where you are? Like, does it like use your GPS to know where you are? Because
Yeah, so what it's supposed to be is this little circle over here. That's supposed to be your house.
okay,
So I can definitely work on making that more distinct, more noticeable.
yeah. So how does it like know? Like, are there multiple ice cream trucks? Like, how does it know which one is like going to your area?
It would be based on like location.
Like
That's
Uber?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
Anything else or
I didn't see that before.
oh yeah.
The time. That's helpful. Yeah, no, I think it's good.
Alrighty then. Thank you for helping me out today. The end.